guys, and welcome back to my channel. To celebrate the first month of 2021, we are diving into our first makeover of the year. Or as you've seen in the title, we are making room for the new year. So this makeover is somewhat personal as we will be transforming my best friend's bedroom. Nothing too crazy in terms of construction, probably just repainting, reflooring, and wallpaper installation. But we will definitely be elevating the overall look and feel of her space. So, just to give you a client brief, I could sum it up in two things. One, she's into pink. Two, all things Disney princess. So the challenge was for us to create a space that is classy and sophisticated while still embracing that fantasy dreamlike feel. Hence the title of this makeover, The Dainty Dream. The goal is really to create a space that is lovely and delicate, much like a blooming flower. So that became our overall concept for the design. And yeah, I'm really quite excited for it. So let's jump right into this makeover. Roll video in 3, 2, 1. So I'm really sorry for the audio, but we are currently conceptualizing for Jaira's bedroom, and so I really had to record this, throwing in ideas here and there. We're casually talking through Messenger, and I basically just doodled the vision I have for the space directly on top of the existing photo that she sent. I'm going to show you in a bit, but looking at the photo, since this bedroom will function as a bedroom and nothing more, furniture-wise, we're just sticking with a bed. We're keeping it and we're repainting it. And probably additional storage for her clothes, but basically that's it. So really, our priority for this makeover would be the walls. That's what we're really going to play with. So just to bring you guys through the process, I'm thinking of rearranging the bed and anchoring it on the left side of the wall. It's currently like this. So I want to turn it around to the side. Yeah, I think that would be best. And then the 3 walls and the ceiling, I'm going to utilize that to somehow give an illusion that we have enough. We're basically just framing it. So I'm thinking wallpaper for the 2 ends and then an accent paint color for where the window is, crawling up the ceiling but only halfway, because I'm thinking the other side of the room would be dominantly white just to keep it clean and fresh. So yeah, basically that's our vision. We're just going to add accents and accessories, texture. That's it. That's where we are at. Hey guys, today is January 15th and we are going to Jaira's house. This is the first time I'm actually going to see it in person because we've been doing this online. So really quite excited to see it. We will actually be painting the arc wall today as well. And I will be assessing what else needs to be done because on Sunday, this coming Sunday, today is Friday, we are going to do our final set of styling. So really so much still needs to be done, and so yeah, we have to go. We have to do a lot of things today. So yeah, let's go.
Ang social naman.
Ang yaman naman ang itsura.
Social? Sabi ka social?
Di bagay sa'yo dyan.
The concept behind the Stain to Dream makeover is a blooming flower. Delicate, elegant, and lovely. The wallpaper is the perfect embodiment of this, with its intricate detailing and monochrome color palette. Contrasting the wallpaper's warm tone, this accent mirror is hung at the center. Its circular frame resembles those of a flower petal, perfect as the focal point for this wall. On the opposite side are 4 photos specifically chosen for its hazy dreamlike color and composition. I love how it ties in well with the overall palette of the room. shades of pink and the play on beige continues onto the bed, seen in the textured throw pillows and the fuzzy blankets. And last but not the least, we have the arc accent painted on the wall. This was actually a design solution because our mirror arc was too small, and so we had to create an illusion that it covered a much bigger space. This pink border allows the eye's perspective to widen, and of course, staying true to our concept, we have pink as the contrasting color. There you guys have it, the Dainty Dream, our first makeover of the year. So much is coming, so much is happening behind the scenes, and I can't wait for the time that I can finally release everything to you guys. But for now, this is where we're at, and I'm just excited for our next video. I'll see you guys then. Bye guys, lots of love.